What is the $5,000 rule for AC? If your air conditioner is acting up and the repair estimate makes you hesitate, you are not alone. Many homeowners in Murrieta, California wonder whether they should repair their system or replace it entirely. The $5,000 rule is a simple guideline designed to help you make a smarter financial decision without guessing. The rule is straightforward. Multiply the age of your AC unit by the estimated cost of the repair. If that number exceeds $5,000, replacement is usually the better long-term investment. For example, a 12-year-old AC needing a $500 repair equals $6,000. A 15-year-old AC needing a $400 repair also equals $6,000. In both cases, replacement may make more financial sense. But an 8-year-old AC needing a $300 repair equals $2,400, which usually supports repairing the system instead. Age plays a big role because most AC systems last between 12 and 15 years with proper maintenance. As systems age, efficiency drops and repairs become more frequent. However, the $5,000 rule is only a guideline. Other factors like overall condition, refrigerant type, repair history, and rising energy bills also matter. In Murrieta, California, summer heat puts heavy demand on AC systems. If your unit is already past the 10 to 12-year mark, even moderate repairs can signal that replacement may soon be necessary. Scheduling an inspection before peak summer helps you avoid emergency breakdowns and rushed decisions. If your AC repair estimate has you questioning what to do next, schedule a professional evaluation with Airtime Heating and Air. We will explain your options clearly and help you choose the solution that truly makes sense for your home.